Thank you for trusting Budgeto for your financial forecast and budgeted needs. This is where success finds you. Let's enter an example of a sales product together. For this example, I am selling a custom bag. I'm going to be adding it to my sales department, which I'll be creating right here. The sales price will be $30 with a payment term of nothing for now, but you can select different payment terms for up to 12 months after or before. It will be taxable. The tax rate is always changeable too in the your account settings found here, if ever you need to go and change that. There will be a commission rate of 2%, and the hypothesis is a comments related to the product itself. These will appear only in this menu. They will not appear on your PDF or Excel file. For now, I'm just going to leave this blank. Next, I will add a 50% cost of sales. So here, I'm going to say cost of goods sold. My costs will remain as a percent of the sales price of 50% with a 1-month payment term after, and it is taxable also. Next, we need to navigate to the sales plan and menu. Here we have two options. We have the manual method or the growth method. Using the growth method, I can add my own organic growth percent per month or per year. Remember to click on the blue arrow icon here to expand your menu. You can add your own monthly churn percentages per year to best fit your needs, so 2%, 3%, etc. Next, we can try out the manual method. Here, I want to include a 100 units sold per month with an increase of 10 units per year. So I'll show you how that looks right now. And I can keep going for the remaining of the years. As you can see, the total annual value is updated automatically in this field from whatever I put in the grid here. The same works in the opposite way. So for here, I see 43,200, but now I want to say 50,000 for 2024. And you'll see that Budgeto will automatically calculate the estimated unit value for each month of that year to be 50,000 right here. Remember to click Save when finished. If you have multiple products with similar descriptions, use the Save and Copy feature to make a copy of your current sales product, and then you can make minor modifications you need to each one. This is useful if you have similar products with different colors, sizes, prices, etc. So here, let's say I want to have custom bag 2, and the price is not $30, it's $35, but all the sales planning will remain the same. Well, using the Save and Copy function will save me a lot of time. Now, if we navigate to your quick edit menu found here, you will see an overview of all your sales products entered, and you can even see them in a yearly or monthly view as well. You can always access your sales product and the edit menu of each product by clicking directly on the hyperlink or on the pencil icon found in the quick edit menu. This will bring you back to the menu here. To access the knowledge base, click either on the large orange question mark icon found here, or by entering whatever question you may have found here, or again in the help menu right here. The knowledge base is where you'll find many answers to any question you may have for Budgeto with helpful screenshots, step-by-step instructions, videos, and more. Thank you again for using Budgeto. We are excited to be part of your budgeting journey.